Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to talk through how to add extra cut depth to one of your objects in Easel. Let's say you're cutting something out and you're like, well, the wood measures, pretty close to the same, but there might be a little bit of variance. This allows you to account for that by adjusting the cut depth of your object without changing your material dimensions in Easel. And to do this, I'm going to go ahead and select my object, change it to cut completely out, and then we can see here that a new window has popped up, a new portion of the window has popped up that says add depth. And I can select from a couple of options here, and basically it allows me to add an extra depth so that when I cut out my object, there's just a little bit extra that's getting cut out below, and you can kind of see it by that more faint line there at the bottom, gets cut out below, and allows me to account for any kind of variations in my material, if it's different or anything like that. And this works for cut-on path or even carving out a pocket if you want to make it consistent. That's how you would do that with carve out a pocket. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.